We have four statements, four statements in this question. Let us see if we can draw it. Some B's are abacus. Okay, that's the first statement. So I have some B's are abacus. All abacus are bins. So I write one more alphabet here. All abacus are bins. All abacus are bins. No bin is a wool. So there should not be any overlap between bin and wool. And some wool are bees. Okay. So there should not be any overlap between bin and wool. And then some wool are bees. So this is one way to draw. So some bees are abacus is this area. All abacus are bins. So it will come within that other circle. All abacus are bins. No bin is a wool. So there is no overlap here. And then some wool are bees, which is this area. Some wool are bees. Can I draw it in any other way? So some bees are abacus. Can I draw this bin? If I draw this bin this way, okay, because all abacus are bins, then I can't do some wool are bees. If I do some wool are bees like this, some wool are bees, then I contradict this statement. No bin is a wool. I can't do that. Okay, because then this would be wool. See, let us see why drawing number 2 is not possible. Some bees are abacus, correct? All abacus are bins. If I draw this circle big to completely cover bees, then when I draw some wool are bees, okay, some wool are bees, if I draw it this way, then no bin is a wool is contradicted. There should not be any overlap between bin and wool. This is bin and wool are overlapping. So we can't draw it in any other way. So you can't draw it in this way. So there's only one way to do this drawing, which is this. So that is the approach to see if it can be drawn in any other way. So this is the only way in which you can do. Some bees which are bin are not wool. So this is the conclusion. So it says some bees which are bins. So which are those bees that are bins? These are the bees that are bins. Okay, let us shade these are this entire shaded area. These are the bees that are also bins. Can they be wool? No, because there is no overlap between wool and bin. There is no overlap between wool and bin because of this reason. So these bees which are bins, okay, these bees which are bins can't be wool. This is true. Some bees can be wool. That is okay. Some like this area, some bees are wool. But he is saying some bees which are bin. These are the bees which are bin. They can't be wool because of this statement. There is no overlap between bin and wool. Hence, conclusion 1 is true. Some bees which are bin are not wool. So 1 false. All abacus which are bins. So we have all abacus which are bins is this area. All abacus which are bins. This entire area. Okay. All abacus which are bins are necessarily bees. No. See, look at this area. This area. They are not necessarily bees. You can write this way. So this is false. Okay, conclusion 2 is not valid in this statement. Which are necessarily bees, which means compulsory in any drawing. In every drawing it has to be bees. No. You might say, can I draw it in any other way? In any other way if you draw also, there will be some abacus which need not be bees. Here, this part of the abacus is not bees. So this drawing is accurate. Because of this drawing, you can't make this conclusion. Hence, only one follows.